Hi friends, I'm Sapna Aggarwal, Creative Director at Ansa Architecture and Interior Design Consultancy. And in today's video, I am going to showcase how to create a minimalistic aesthetic design that is both functional and stylish. We will also share some tips on decluttering using neutral colors and creating a calming atmosphere. When choosing a color palette for your minimalistic interior design, it is very important to choose colors that complement each other and create a cohesive look. You can add interest to your space by layering different shades of the same color or by adding pops of color in form of accent pieces such as throws, pillows or artwork. Focus on the quality over the quantity when looking at minimalistic design. Specifically in minimalistic interior design, it is very important to focus on investing in very high quality pieces that will last you for years rather than buying inexpensive disposable items that will need to be replaced frequently. Choose furniture and decor that is both functional and beautiful and that is genuinely made up of very high quality materials such as solid wood, natural stones or high quality fabrics. By investing in these pieces, you can create a space that is both durable and timeless. This also means that you will have fewer items in your space, which can help you to create a clean and uncluttered look. Emphasize more on clean lines and simple forms. Clean lines and simple forms are the hallmark of any minimalistic interior design. Furniture and decor should be very simple, unadorned, with clean, straight lines, simple shapes. Avoid ornate or fuss details and instead focus on creating a sleek, streamlined look. When choosing a furniture for your minimalistic interior design, look for pieces which are very simple, geometric in shapes, and just avoid furniture with a lot of curves or ornate details, as this can actually detract you from simple, clean lines which you're trying to achieve. Use textures to add interest. In a minimalistic interior design, textures can really be used to add interest and depth to the space. So by incorporating different textures, you can create a space that is visually stimulating, even without a lot of color or pattern actually. Some effective ways to add textures to your minimal interior design will include, first and foremost, utilizing natural components like wood or stone. Second, using textured fabrics such as linen or wool. Third, adding a textured rug to the space. Fourth, incorporating artwork or decor with interesting textures such as woven baskets or sculptured pieces, something which can add interest. Let in natural light while using any minimalistic interior decor. Natural light is really a very important element. It creates a sense of openness and spaciousness and help you create a connection between the indoor and the outdoor spaces. When designing your minimalistic interiors, it is very important to make the most of natural light by using window treatments that allow plenty of light to filter in. If you don't have a lot of natural light in your space, you can actually create an illusion of natural light by using artificial light sources such as statistically placed lamps or uplighters. These can also help create kind of a warm, inviting atmosphere even in a space that doesn't have a lot of natural light. And now there are many lights available which actually look like sunlight. Declutter your space. Use negative space, negative place, and empty space. It is very important element in any minimalistic interior design. It kind of creates a sense of openness. It allows your eye to rest and can especially be very important in small spaces. By incorporating negative space into your design, you can create a sense of calm and balance. To use negative space is actually where there is nothing kept. In any minimalistic interior design, start by decluttering your space and removing anything which is unnecessary. Then think about how to arrange your furniture and decor in a way that creates a space which can actually allow the eye to kind of flow easily. For example, you might just choose to leave a wall blank, empty corners, or use simple unadorned rug to kind of bind the space. Incorporate a lot of plants. Plants are really a great way to add life and energy to any design, be it minimalistic design. They can actually help you purify air, reduce stress, improve your mood. But when choosing plants into your space, look for low maintenance variety that are kind of well suited to the lighting conditions in your home. And they are like a breather. Some very effective ways to incorporate plants into your minimalistic interior design will include creating a living wall using hanging planter. It's really an in thing now. Place potted plants or shelves on windowsills. Incorporate a large statement plant in a prominent location such as an entryway or a living room. So you can be very creative about it. Also create zones for different activities. When we talk about minimalistic interior design, it is very important to create different zones for different activities. It can actually help to create a sense of order and organization in the space, and can make it easier to use the space in different purposes. I'm just sharing some effective ways to create zones in your minimalistic interior design. Something like utilizing rugs to separate various portions of the room. Create a reading nook or relaxation space. Designate a workspace with a desk and a chair. Something very simple. Putting together a dining room with a table and chairs. Or you can also add some personal touches. Finally, just don't forget that it's your home. Your personal touch is very important, very vital to make it look like your home. It is meant to be simple and cluttered, but it's important to create a space that feels like home. It should not feel blank. Add personal touches, add a personality, such as by adding a family photograph, some favorite books. It just adds kind of a warmth and a personality to your space. When incorporating personal touches into your minimalistic interior design, be sure to keep it simple and unobstructive. Choose a few key pieces that are meaningful to you, that really have some connect to your soul, and arrange them in a way that kind of complements with the overall design of the space. And in total, or in conclusion, I'll say minimalistic interior design is popular trend for a reason. It kind of creates a very serene, calming atmosphere while also emphasizing the importance of space, light, and color. By incorporating these tips and ideas into your own interiors, you can actually create a space that is both comfortable and stylish, and that reflects your own personality and style and taste. Thank you so much for listening to this video. In case you want me to talk about any other topic, please feel free to write in the comments section. And for any kind of architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. See you next Wednesday. Bye.